The Dynasty PROAUDIO WSA-5RP-PLUS Rear Speakers kit offers a cutting-edge wireless audio technology that ensures minimal interference and near-lossless audio quality. This kit is extremely user-friendly with its speaker line level input and stereo RCA input, making it compatible with any audio amplifier, AV receiver, or preamp. Equipped with a high-efficiency Class D amplifier, it delivers an impressive output of 200 watts RMS at 4 ohms, connecting effortlessly to any passive bookshelf or rear surround sound loudspeakers. The additional subwoofer connection enhances the audio experience by allowing seamless integration with power or active subwoofer speakers or subwoofer amplifiers. With an operational distance of up to 100 feet, the transmitter and receiver ensure a wide transmission range, delivering full CD quality, high-resolution, and uncompressed audio. The metal chassis design not only adds durability, but also contributes to the sleek and modern aesthetic of these rear speakers.